Yes, I'm back again. It's me, Dr. Bazel, the crack team boss. Yes, we are live at the Magistrate Court, Sapler Road, Benin City. Some couple of months ago, I think 2, 3 months ago, a lady called me from Canada and she explained what she was going through in the hands of some CDA members, some SCDA members that sold her land 200 by 200. They promised to relocate her, and for almost 2 years now they refused to relocate her. So when she called me, I told her that I was going to do something, and she was always calling. Sometimes when people are calling, they just feel up and on a pick call. This work that I'm doing is eating my time and eating my resources. And I'm not really good at saying, madam, this thing that I need to do, mobilize me or so that I can always have money to move around. But when you say it, people will say, what's it called? But sometimes they forget that most of the movings, the running around, you need money. Even in some offices, there are some areas that you also need to tip. Say, yeah, quick push this fire, make it reach here. But I gave her my word that I was going to help her. I was going to support her to get justice. She now gave me the phone. I don't want to mention the community, so they will not say about is rubbish in my community. But they know themselves, someone here, someone inside the court. I said, give me the chairman's number. I called the chairman. Say, sir, there's one lady, they say you sold her land. Hey, who be that one? Hey, where? You know how this city go up? Hey, where? Hey, forward do. I said, sir, there's no point. There's no need of you insulting me. Now, my name is Abatoba. Say, Imewe. I go and say, sir, let me come and see you. The next thing, he gave his phone to the PA. You don't want that people say, hey, I'm the PA to the chairman. Hey, wait till you work, I don't relax. I want to see people. They now hang up the phone. The next day, I went to the community. I went to the community and I was able to meet with the Enoge. I told the Enoge, I said, Enoge, I talk by him, no more. Enoge now called the chairman and the chairman should come to the palace. Enoge said, my brother, you know most of these Enoge, they always deny when it comes to things like this. I said, Enoge, but I need you to use your powerful office to give justice to my sister. I said, she's my sister and she's calling all the way from Canada. If you want her to come to Nigeria, she will come because the value of that property as we speak today is over 10 million naira. The time people were supposed to relocate her, I believe there were lands in your community, but now you can't find land again to relocate this lady. So how do we not get the money or get people that is building a very massive house in that place to leave the place? And don't get that call the chairman. Chairman came and chairman was still very arrogant. I should be like, I think it was just a month after CDA was disbanded. Say, maybe not tell a guy when yeah, where Facebook could not make a noise. Man, oh boy, that when the chairman was just talking anyhow. I said, okay, don't worry. Then I went straight to I went to press 1 or 2 buttons. Then I called the chairman. The chairman called the chairman. I tell the guy, say it's too late. They are charging this guy to court. As we speak, the chairman is inside this magistrate court. The case is so bad that the chairman is already begging to say, may in fact give us 100 by 100, 1 by 2. Then later, he will not pay the rest instrumental. And I told him, I said, no, there's no out of court settlement. This chairman must go to jail. The era of impunity is gone. The era of using shovel to break people's head is gone. See that, show that Black Maria. See that Black Maria? Yeah, come. Now there the chairman going to now. I must make sure the chairman is remanded. He must sleep okay, even at 2 weeks. They're inside. I just came outside to buy card and call the lady's brother. So Edo people, I want to believe in this cause that we are fighting. Sometimes my brothers and my friends, they wonder how I manage to continue my activities. So they will tell you, this thing is really taking your time. but I hate injustice. It is only in this state that you see SCDA member, this Osakuno Kwemila, that sold people's lands, destroyed lives. They were involved in communal crisis. Still come online to say I'm an activist. The same boy that abandoned activism business to go hustle in his community. Under his watch as the vice chairman, a lot of atrocities were committed in that community. You still come online today to talk anyhow. By the time I'm done with this chairman, if you hear my name next time, and by the time he's convicted, maybe for now, the lawyer said we should not do anything on social media for now. I will not put a picture everywhere. I will not put a picture everywhere and say, yes, this chairman is going to jail. If you come outside and I go still go around my head, the chairman is already begging us. Yesterday, the lawyer was begging us that we should do out of court settlement, that the man is ready to give us 1/2 first. Then later he will now give us another 1/2 or pay for the 1/2. I said no, it's 200 by 200. They are going to show us another 200 by 200 and also pay for all the money that we have spent trying to. I know how much I spent trying to arrest this guy. I know many times we carry police go find this community guy, we not see him. But Madam Omo, I believe Madam Omo is not aware that we did all this. She only heard that the chairman has been arrested. I spent my money to do all this because when you tell them, we need to do this, because sometimes they will tell you, you must play with police. Sometimes they'll get what you find. You can't go to position and speak English. Most of these community people, they don't speak English. They act. While you are speaking English, this one, thank God for the lawyer I have, a very sound lawyer. He knows how to romance police, how to play police. But you know the police don't really do one side. So it's not everywhere. If you go, there are some places you go, you introduce yourself. My name is Abato, but don't keep trying to intimidate people. You know governor, you know chief of staff, you know SLG, you know everyone. No, you come down to their level. Once they know, say even you when no people will pass them, even though their level, they will respect you. We did all that, and I'm not sure Madam Omo is aware of what we did. But the brother was aware. Even the brother was even trying to say, I will call up and all you know where I will say. She's already hot as a result of the activities of these CDA people. So Edo people, if your land is missing, if they collected your land, go to private property task force, Solomon Arase committee, or go to the palace. My friend, my late friend, the one that just died on Saturday, Fabode, during the time we're struggling to help him because he was having some health issues. He now showed one of his land in the, let me mention this one, stupid Yaya community. Idumuga community in Umode. While we're looking for buyer, the community did not come outside and they have 50 by 100, close to the 100 by 100. After the sales, they came and they said they have 50 by 100 there. And when we did our measurement, if they call it 50 by 100, the 100 by 100 that we sold, that I sold to somebody for 6.5 million, will be on Federal Road. And I warned the chairman, I said, Chairman, you people are still doing CDA. You are exposed to what? They thought I was joking. Yesterday, we took policemen to the place. All of them, I said, bush, they sleep. So we tell you, we are doing a lot to see how we can get rid of these criminals. In this state, you must work. Before you eat now, you must work. Under the leadership of our amiable governor, Mr. Obaseki, you must work. You must work. You must work. The other say, hey, why you beg for where? If the governor can wake up and disband Agberos, stop illegal, stop ticketing, who is all these CDA members? So if you get land for Iguamo community, you get land for any other community where they don't collect from you, no, this is the time to go back to that community and ask them for your property. The law not to say after the disbandment of CDA, say anybody with a get land problem, may they bury them. No, this is the time for you to fight for justice. This is the time for you to go back to the community, for them to give you back your land. People are getting judgment every day. See inside there, the chairman was sweating there just now. As you see me at say more about more look better, man, more cracking balls on my mouth. As you see me for there, they sweat. The lawyer they drag me, they say, when we take care of it, I said, no, lawyer, we've passed that stage. the first thing about me, if you call me for anything, the first thing I want to go for is dialogue. Because right here now, we are spending money, they are also spending money, but the truth of the matter is we are getting justice. Because the man already knows saying already for copy. The documents are there. He sold the property to my friend Omo in Canada. So Edo people, sometimes they see Abat as someone that's very controversial, but you have no idea what we do on a daily basis. What we call him right now? We are here. We make sure. May you come in for AIG. May AIG from here. May magistrate court. The chairman, nigga, hammer will be my court. My mother did court in the now. Of one man, you will court in here. And of one man. Me want come from here now. May I go meet my second lawyer. May we go AIG. A case in no side game mu your ru. They take me AIG station. May you come AIG then along at the Adesua. Along at Adesua now, yeah, zone 5. We are ready them. May you call me. If I don't this and I come outside. Then we'll go Yankee. Let's see what we can do. Since the family is burying Yankee on Thursday. From one matter to another. From one matter to another. That's why you see all these civil society organizations. And it's not easy for them. It's not easy for them. People like Omobude, Kola Edokpayi, Austin Osakwe, Reverend David Ogolo. If you have any way you can be support these people, support them. These people, they are really doing a lot. It's not easy to fight for justice in this state. If you see some of them small, sometimes they don't even dress well, they don't even have good car, but they are spending their time, their resources, their energy fighting for the masses. But at the same people, masses not they appreciate. Nobody will call Omobude now and say Omobude, I go Omobude, even while we Facebook, you will appreciate it. Hey, give me your account, let me support you. But if you see those people, they struggle for what they believe. We don't encourage them, we don't support them, but they are the real true people in this state. They are the real people speaking for the whole of Poloi, speaking for the downtrodden, speaking for the masses. Mr. I can't do it alone. No, regularly doing nothing for the people. So if you see, anyway, I see most of these activists, Reverend David Ogolo, Austin Osakwe, Omobude, F.A. Bevy, I respect them because if you see them in his police station fighting for the common man, you are surprised. You know how many people those people don't pay for free? People run to them every day, but most of our people in diaspora don't even reach out to them to encourage them. But one day you see most of these activists, they will now move from activism to politics. Because they're even the political class, before they all do one election, they don't try people to. Then when they fight for the people, they keep living in penury. So please, just look for a way. Go through the profiles of most of these notable and credible activists. Support them, what they are really doing. And they don't even come online to tell you, support me, support my organization, support this one, support me. I can't do that. Don't, because it's a cause they believe in. It's a cause they believe in. So all these charge and pay activists, they are just noisemakers and they are criminals. How can a true activist be engaging in community development, blah blah, stealing people's land, beating people up, fight the communal crisis, communal fight? That's how we go there. Police go and get it. The other side can shoot. As they shoot, when I don't get the video, I download that there with me. As they shoot, our people police go here. You they say shoot like a popo, banga, oh, they shoot small, cabal. Now go. Hey, you talk so. I not be here tell up that one kill a human being. So Edo people, at the time we are done with this chairman, we have already exposed him. So many people, even people when in the old land, they don't gather for community. Because this is one small girl from Canada, they drag and follow ground. And with the kind of lawyer I have, it's not the kind of lawyer that you go back and be gisting. The lawyer will tell you, go and discuss with Abat. Abat will only agree on this matter on his own terms. I'm going to tell you what I want. You go show us land, you clear land, you put sand. You put sand, we'll leave it for 30 days. If anybody will come and say, nah, land, and you still go show us. Before we'll say, hell yeah, let's discuss. So those people, I want to appreciate you people for that are supporting me, for those that are dropping positive comments, for those that are sharing our videos. So please share this video so that someone that is out there crying, they collect my land, they comment and say, so some patients are there crying. How do I go about this thing? Go to palace, go to private property, this thing, take them to court. I think you say most of these lawyers, most of these they're not happy, they don't go to talk magistrates. So I appreciate you also to this video. Just let me give you an update. Omo, if you are watching, thank you for believing in me, and thank you for believing that Abba has the capability to handle this matter, and justice will definitely be served by the grace of God. And for those that are also reaching out to me, I have not picked your call or I have not started handling your case, just give me some time. I have a lot that I'm doing, and I need to clear my desk and see how I can encourage you or how I can support. This one was just too painful. It was too painful the way they intimidated them. They were beating the lady. They were beating the brothers in their sight. They intimidated them for over 2 years. They refused to relocate them. That's the most painful part. You collect somebody now, the person even allows, okay, carry me go another place for 2 years. Anybody. So if you love what we're doing, continue to support us by sharing our videos, dropping positive comments, and invite your friends to watch. Let me go see now if the case is still going to delay. I'll have to go because the IPO in the edge is already calling me every day. This the Okusakwe that is calling for truth. The real issues we have not addressed. The real issues you are telling me to rest about Muyoto. The real issues. If you don't care about your future, I care about my future. If you call me names, I care about my future. I don't want my children to grow tomorrow and say, Daddy, there was a time you were arrested for breaking a shop. What did you do to clear your name? I care so much about my future. Most of you people selling lands, most of you are not educated, you are ignorant, you don't know anything. That's why you don't care, you mess yourself up. Tomorrow people will come and use that same thing against you. So please, this is not the time. If you really want us to let us go to the round table. You go back to social media and say, I fair talk, I not talk. And then we'll come discuss. Some say they try bullying me, you don't carry me follow everywhere. Now you say, resty, you don't do. The rest is belu. The rest is belu. How are you? Okay, my barrister is out. Sir, I'm here. I'm coming, sir. End it.